Today we're doing blindfolded chicken butchery. When I asked Becca if she wanted to do chicken butchery with me, she said, "That's no fair, you're always butchering chicken." So I thought, fine, I guess that's out of the question, until I thought, what if I go blindfolded? Will that make it fair? Stay tuned to find out. A few simple rules. First of all, the knives that we're using. Becca's going to be using the Takeda Honesuki, Takeda being her favorite brand. This is also the first one I ever got. Actually, that's not true. My first Honesuki was a Shun Blue by Chris Constantino. The one I want to use, and Patrick, I know in the video I kind of told you I thought this was a little bit short. It was almost like a quail Honesuki, but in this particular instance, where I'm going to be blindfolded, what I wanted was the shortest Honesuki I have, because I don't think I'm going to cut myself. I'm going to try to always, push the Honesuki up against my knuckles and just slice back. So I wanted something shorter, so I'm using the Blok Handcrafted Honesuki, roughly 140. This guy's 160. So without further ado, I do have the camera there, so I do apologize. Sometimes I'm going to look there. I've already done my little YouTube intro. The other rule is, Becca, all we need to do to complete this successfully is remove the wings, separate drumette and
just the way we normally do it.
Yeah, so we'll remove it here, then cut that in half. Remove the thighs and drumsticks, separate those, and breast. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't judge me on my cleanliness. I feel bad for the chicken that there's going to be some meat left on the carcass. But yeah, let's see where this goes. Now, for those of you thinking this is stupid,
I already told them.
No, but you're wrong. I'm not gonna cut myself. I'm not trying. I don't necessarily want to beat her as much as just see where this goes. Yeah, ooh, nice and cold. Let me just at least grab the knife. Yeah, that might be helpful.
Blade is down.
Thank you so much. Blade is down?
Yeah.
Okay. So Becca, why don't you give a count?
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh no.
I don't remember the last time I butchered a chicken. This is Frankie's job.
Please tell me if the knife is too close to you.
That's fine, I can avoid.
Okay, this is already way harder than I thought. It's because I can see the chicken in my head, but that... Oh no. I'm so sorry. Well, you know what? I don't waste anything, so it's 100% gonna go in the stock pot. Fuck. Okay, just so I can... Nope. Yes. Hey, don't...
I don't want you to hurt your knives.
Oh yeah, I have a first aid kit, just for show. Let me push this off to the side. Ooh, yeah, let's do this. Is this... Wait, this is the back. Oh, perfect. That's how I like... No, all of a sudden... What the hell? I thought I was holding a wing. And for those watching, 100% won't be getting the oysters off this guy.
So you know Kino's behind you.
Okay, thank you. Kino is always...
Kino's actually specifically between us.
Between us? Oh my god. This is like Rate My Chives, but Rate My Chicken Butchery blindfolded. Now, I know there's this line of fat, and in fact, I can feel the cartilage. Oh, bro, did you just see that?
No, what?
First try on the separating the drumette from the thigh. I don't even want to know where you're at, because that wouldn't... Okay, we got the cavity. Yeah, that's the back. I'll do what I normally do. Even blindfolded, it's all good. Just a little fun. Shit. Oh no. You know what, I'm gonna abandon that. I need to remove. Oh, dude. I'm proud of myself for what it's worth. Hold on. I hope you guys are entertained. I am. I always say that's what counts. If I laugh at my own jokes, we're winning. If I can even just be half as fast as you, I'll be happy. Drumette, winged, wait, yeah. Oh, fuck. Do I have to bleep these for YouTube? Because I'm so pumped. I'm swearing. Of course. The angle's about this. This one's hard to feel. I'm gonna have to sharpen this guy so good. Come on! Oh, sorry, Benji. Trim it. Hold on. Trim it. Wait. Do it like this. The angle needs to be almost parallel. Oh, no. No. This is my Achilles heel right here.
I'm on my Achilles heel.
You too?
Yeah. Well, mine's the breast.
Oh.
I suck at getting the breast off.
Oh, shit. I heard that snap. I hope that's not a chip. I'm sorry, Patrick. But also, Patrick, I chose your Honesuki, so you should be proud. You know what? I might have to abandon this guy, or what if I make, where's the tip? A little incision here, and it's not cheating, it's a strategy. Just, I guess we also have to separate the tendies, but that should just require my hands. Oh, come on. Okay, good enough. Wherever we're at. Oh, no. This is where I may risk getting cut. Ooh, I did separate the backbone part of it. Use the heel. I would say that's why the heel is important. Are we still live, Becca?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. I feel like I need to remove the skin to have a better chance. Yeah, so here's the right side. Wait, where's the tip? Yeah, I'm so fucked here. Oh no. I'm sorry guys, I mean, it's, you know, I'm all about entertaining, but talking and blindfold chicken butchery ain't exactly a skill of
It's
mine.
humbling is what it is.
It's what?
Humbling for you. You're so confident going in.
No. It wasn't confidence. I want to try it. I had an idea, and you know how I am with my ideas. Come on. Who knows where the tip is going? But see, this is why I won't cut myself. I'm not going to risk showmanship for a cut. It's going to be the most unedited YouTube video in years. Oh, okay, skin is off. Like, I'm gonna ask him a question. We should pause. Hold on. See if anyone answers.
I'm done anyway.
Oh, you are?
Pretty much. I was just trying
Wait, just pause. Should I try to remove the wishbone blind? If someone is listening, let's just give it 10 seconds. Should I try to remove the wishbone blind? Let me know, Beck, if someone says anything. Actually, you know what I just realized? You put the blindfold, but my eyes are also closed for like double shaft,
up.
just in case.
I'll be one of those fakers online.
No, exactly. Has anyone responded? Is anyone watching? Kino?
There's a little
Oh, you're feeding Kino.
Yeah. Steve says yes.
Okay. Thank you. I feel.
Steve is instant regret.
Oh shit. Oh no.
Oh, you're gonna slice your finger, man.
Nope. I'm gonna slice the chicken. Oh. Am I under? No. Oh, well, there's the wishbone. That's hilarious. You're done?
Yeah.
So what do we do now? Do I just
Keep going.
finish it with my eyes closed, or?
Yeah, I think you have to. That was your challenge. You said it wasn't a race.
Okay. Sorry, chicken, for the amount of meat that's going to be left on the keel. Oh, I'm on the right side. I thought I was on.
Just double checking mine, but
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not great at chicken butchery. Frankie does it all the time, so I don't have the practice.
Well, you got to be better than me right now.
I'm actually impressed by how well I did.
There you go. So that's what I mean. You must be better than me right now.
I'm washing my hands.
Yeah. Wash the hands. Oh, I cut through the keel bone. Oh no. Oh shit, I didn't realize I was so close to the end of the board. Just get myself in the dick.
I wash my blade now.
Oh, I gotta beep a bunch of this for the YouTube.
Did you find it entertaining that she said I might be looking at two different cameras as you're blindfolded?
Yeah, but I guess it was when I was starting the video. Oh, I can feel.
So people don't hear me wash.
Yeah, thank you. That's very kind of you. That's very considerate. And also, you know, hands up or an applause for Becca for even being willing to do this to begin with. Yeah, the chicken tendy is definitely mutilated. Yeah, there's no way this is... Yeah, this is the hardest part. I mean, I struggled a bit with the drumette and the wing, but no way, man. Now I really feel like I'm blind. Like, even my hands, I know where they're at, but I don't know where the tip is, and that's where I'm... No, but what I mean is, it's just, this is where I'm most likely to get cut. Just slide it like this. I'm just gonna pull. No, that's not working. Oh no. I'm not enjoying this part. For the sheer amount of meat left on the carcass, for sure.
I'm gonna make some great chicken stock.
I don't think I did that bad with the... Ow! With the... Oh no. This is horrendous. I don't even know that we can use these chicken breasts. How bad is it?
It's pretty mangled.
It's pretty mangled.
We can make a cutlet.
Hold on.
No.
No?
No, you're cutting it to spine.
Six-pack chef.
No.
Hats off to you. I know this isn't the cucumber like you do and all the little things. Da, 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 da. But let me... You know what, six-pack chef? I challenge you. Chicken butchery, blindfolded.
No.
New Guinness record.
No.
No what?
They're spine.
What's... I guess I forfeit at this point if you're giving me tips.
I just don't want you to put the blade into straight bone. It's like obvious bone.
Yeah, honestly, this knife is gonna... It's actually doing well, but I probably
Show
microchipped
the
it.
camera that your butchered chicken. I'll do it.
This should be my chicken breast. Oh,
Yeah, there's your...
and the tendy. How'd I do?
I mean, it's not horrific. The back's looking pretty ugly. The front looks totally normal.
Is this stuff
The
pretty
back
good?
looks...
Like,
Honestly, it kind of looks like
a dog did it? Blindfold?
a wolf got into a chicken coop.
Yeah.
Or a
Okay.
fox, I guess.
Well, let's just spare people. Oh, that's a lot of meat. Oh my. All right, here, hold on. This one's a treat for Kino then.
It's all treats for Kino.
Oh, don't cut myself. Don't cut. What's going on? Why can't I? Don't do it. It's meant. Oh my god. Oh, that was on the wishbone, maybe. Is Kino next to me?
Yeah, you're gonna drop it on his head.
Drop on his head?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, bonked on his nose.
All right. One more chicken breast, and for whoever's watching, thank you for entertaining me and Becca. I think this one's gonna be technically. Well, no, hold on.
Steve says about what I end up doing without the blindfold.
Ah, okay. So I should be proud?
So what
Question
it sounds
mark?
like, Steve, is that you need to come back and take some chicken butchery lessons with Frankie next time.
Ooh, dude, do it. Look, you pay for the flight, I'll pay for everything else. Chicken's on me, knife's on me. Oh, this guy's just peeling away. One. The carcass. I just want to get it over with at this point. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, here's part of the broken wishbone, which I can maybe pull out.
Steve says it's a deal.
It's a deal. Yeah, you do the flight, I'll do everything else, Steve. We'll film more stuff together next time. Okay, I can't. I'm just gonna go and blindly cut, literally. And I'm gonna lift, I'm gonna blindly cut.
This one's better than the last one.
I'm just gonna do this. I did it! Here's my last breast.
It's really, you have to flip it the other way. That's the mangled part.
Like
Actually,
this?
This one's way better. No. So the underside is what got messed up. Actually, that one looks totally fine.
Can you take the blindfold off?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, that's bright. Oh. Well, hey Luke, you got here just in time. Blindfold came off. Let's see what type of damage I've done. Let's start with what I've left on the carcass. So this was some blindfolded chicken butchery. It'll be out on YouTube at some point, probably mainly unedited because, well, you know, what do you want me to edit? I can't make this any better. Chicken, is this a chicken tendy? Wow, that's tiny. Chicken tendy, chicken tendy. Chicken tendy number 2. Again, all this done blindfolded. I did manage to get, of course, the easy part, quite a bit of skin off the chicken breast. Oh yeah, this one's missing a pretty nice piece. I think chicken breast one.
You gotta look at the underside. That's really
The underside?
No, that one's not too bad. Maybe that's the
Oh, actually, this one's pretty good. Chicken breast too. Hell yeah, man. When you go to
the rough one.
yeah, when you go to the store and you buy a chicken breast, 100% looks like this. So pretty proud of that one. You know, the fact that I was able to remove the bottom part of the spine always makes removing the chicken breast that much easier. I'm not disappointed with the way this drumstick looks. Again, for being blind, pretty good, pretty good. Oh yeah, I definitely cut into this a lot. I think this is the one I struggled with. The drumette, my favorite part to eat. Definitely a lot of chicken breast meat. Oh well, blindfolded again. Also, I'd like to point out I have no cuts on my hands, so to me that's the biggest win. I don't care that I lost, by the way. Good job for winning. Clearly, Becca is undefeated when it comes to fighting a blindfolded man. Oops, shh, for Benji. I don't think I made it bleed this much. I'm pretty sure that's not my fault. Chicken thigh 1. Oh, this one's actually pretty good too. Chicken thigh 2. Another drumette and a drumstick. So, thank you. Oh,
yeah, it's baby time.
yeah, it's baby time. Amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to use my clean pinky to end the live. That was joining me and Becca, who's now gone to take care of baby, for a little bit of blindfolded chicken butchery. Catch you in the next one. I don't know that that applies. I don't know that it'll be a next one, but thank you so much, guys. Happy Sunday. So weird with 2 cameras. Oh. Okay, bye. Pinky and ciao. End. Thanks, Becca.
I realized I actually fucked up because I buried it. I just saw. I didn't separate the drumstick from the thigh.
No!
I still would have won.
This is still rolling. Do you hear that?
It's fantastic.
Yeah, it does.
You should, I'll look at that. But anyway, you can cut that, or we can keep it and cook it that way. Yeah, I just realized I still would have won. You should do a side-by-side comparison of them, of what you did and what I did.
Okay, I'll take
Just
a
for
pic.
fun.
No, don't be sure. Did you have fun? Now let me wash my hands and start turning shit off.